Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Enough Secrets. So today's reading is going to be for the zodiac sign of Libra. Okay, so as you all know that Libra falls, whichever zodiac signs the date of birth falls in the month of September 23rd to October 22nd, they fall under the zodiac sign of Libra. Okay, basically air sign. So yeah, Libra, my intellectual Libra, today's reading is going to be for you. Okay, it's going to be from December 7 to 31st of December. So let's see what's there. Okay, so anyway, this reading is a general reading. It might resonate with many of you, it might not. So just take the one that resonates with you. And if you want a personal reading, please call us, give us a WhatsApp message, or you can also email us so that we can get in touch with you for a personal reading, right? So and if you like my tarot guidance, please hit a like button. If any of the like zodiac signs of the family or friends matches with Libra, please share with them. And for the newcomers, welcome to my channel Enough Secrets. I hope my tarot is going to give you a good guidance ahead. Okay, so as I keep saying in all my videos, I'm a very big believer of angels. Yes, angels have always guided me in my life, and they've always protected me from a lot of things. Okay, so let's see what is there for Libra for the month of December, right? Okay, Libra, whichever god or goddesses you follow, please close your eyes, get connected to them, as I will also get connected to my angels to guide them. Okay, so let's see what the angels are going to take out a guided tarot reading for you. Libra is a balance, right? Intellectual people, balance. They are really a balance. That is what the zodiac sign is of Libra, right? Balance. So let's hope that December is also going to be a lot of balance here for you. Okay, end of 2024. End of 2024 is here. Let's see. Okay, Libra, let's see what's there for the month of December. Oh, wow, finance. Oh my God, Ace of Cups, a Hangman card. Okay, money, right. Four of Rods, good card, good card. Opportunities, right. Oh my sword, okay. Okay, Queen of Pentacles, Hierophant, and here comes the Seven of Rods. Okay, yeah, so Libra, the beginning card is very beautiful. I can see a good finance. So definitely for a few Libra, I think month of November has also been a good finance month for you. So is December going to be. Along with the finance growth, maybe you must have joined some new companies where you're getting a very good salary and you're really enjoying working there. Most important is the finance growth is also there. And for a few like Libras who are doing a business, you are flourishing in your business a lot. Okay, you are doing pretty well with what ideas you had gone into this business. Your ideas all working out and is doing pretty well. And yes, there is Ace of Cups, means a new beginning in your life. Basically, Ace of Cups is also got to do with the emotions. So few of the Libras who have been like alone for so many months or years, they are going to have something, a very new kind of beginning in their life. Okay, it is going to be more with the relationship. A new person's entry in your life is going to take place very soon, right? So yes, Libra, you do get stuck up sometimes to take a particular, well, when there's a business and a finance or any kind of job sectors, you're very fast in making decision. But whenever there is some kind of emotions, where you have to take a decisions, you get into a character of the Hangman. You feel very confused. So definitely the card is telling you not to feel confused. If any person is entering into your life, don't try to compare that person with your previous relationship. Okay, yes, so Libra, as I told you, there's a very good finance growth from December. You are going to see a very good progress in your life. In fact, 2025 is going to be a wonderful finance year for you. Okay, that's what I'm reading. I should not say for the month of January, but that is what the money is showing. There's a good growth of finance, good growth of business, business, right? So yes, you are going to get a lot of time to spend with your family and friends, where you are going to really enjoy your time. Okay, so get together is going to be wonderful. Okay, so few of the girl, the female members, you are going to go out for with your friends, with all your girlfriends. You are going to go around, you are going to have a party time. Okay, and for the male also, it's like you are going to have a good family time with your friends. Okay, or even with your family. So yes, the opportunities are just knocking your door, Libra. Be ready to take all the opportunities. There are n number of opportunities universe is sending you. And for the few of the Libra people, as I told you, like, since many of the Libra must have gone through a relationship breakup, so for those people, please keep your sword down. Okay, now no more, the sword is not going to, if you're going to keep on slashing people out of your life. Sometimes what happens, like when we compare, like, all the people, even some good, sometimes we tend to slash out some good people also away from our life. So stop comparing, just see how you connect with that person, right? So yes, Queen of Pentacles, see, if it is a male or a female, there are a lot of finance growth for both the, like, male and female. Okay, so you are, for the few female, you are going to come into a character of a Queen of Pentacles, who is going to enjoy all the luxury of life. So 2000, end of 2025 will bring a spark. Okay, sorry, not 25, 2024 of December is going to start bringing that spark of, finance growth. So you are literally going to see, yes, a Libra, please be careful not to get into any conflict, any kind of fights with your business partner, or at your workplace, or even with your family. Okay, so you have to start meditating, you have to start doing some kind of, self work, so that, you are going to come into a position of a hierophant, where you are a very like a very matured person who can take decisions wisely. Okay, so this was a reading for Libra. So I would like to just open few of the cards. I'm little bit confused about the Hangman position. Is it like you are, what is the decision that you're not being able to take? Why you're feeling stuck up out here? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, Libra, come on. I did not expect this kind of card here. See. Okay, so yes, what I told you is, Libra, definitely this has got to do, for the few Libra people, I think you are stuck up with two relationships where you are not being able to leave any one of them. Okay, so because of what, when you're choosing one person, you're hurting someone else. When you're trying to choose a second person, you're hurting the first person. So this is your condition right now. That is why you're not being able to make any decision, and this is making you very stuck up. It is making you very sad. But you know what the suggestion the card is giving you is, go into the character of Knight of Wands and just take a horse and gallop forward. Okay, choose a person, whoever you want in your life, by looking at the aura or seeing the connectivity, how connected you feel. Okay, because whichever person, a new one is going to, there are a lot of new entry in your life, there are going to be a lot of new beginnings in your life. If you feel that these relationship is making you very sad, come out of it. Please come out of it, because I can see a lot of new beginnings, a lot of new people entering into your life, and who are going to be much better than your previous partners. Okay, so this is a suggestion for me. Don't stay, if anyone is in a toxic relationship, just to keep the relationship for namesake. If you're planning to stay in that, that is going to be a big stop for your progress. So gallop on your horse, move forward, cross the boundaries, start seeing new people, venture new things in life, and this is how you're going to progress. Okay, so it's a very good card for Libra. That's why you see what happens is, that's what the card is also telling you. There are a lot of opportunities, finance, emotions, everything is coming in your way. Like the partner whom you want to be emotionally connected, those kind of partners are going to come on your way. So just be away from the fights and conflicts. Okay, so that you start meditating, keep yourself more calmer, because December is going to be so much of responsibility, so much of work, so much of growth, so much of finance. Somewhere you might also feel stressed out because of overworking, but doing an overwork job, is going to add on to your like bank finance, right? So you're going to grow more on your monetary matter, and this everyone wants, that is a monetary stability, right? The money stability is very important in life to get whatever you want, right? So yes, Libra, wonderful reading for the month of um, December. I hope this tarot has guided you a lot. Good finance, right? So everything is going to happen in the month of December for you. You know, outing, money growth, finance, new business, opportunities, new person entering in your life. Many of the, I'm getting an energy, many of the Libra might go into a little bit of spirituality because they might, accept lot of spiritual things in their life. Maybe they had never meditated, they had never done meditations, or they want to visit some holy places. So all this is going to happen in the month of December for Libra. Okay, so let's see what is there. What is the guidance angels are going to give for my Libra? Okay, fine. Okay, here comes adventure. Okay, life is an adventure. Be ready for the unexpected and make the most all opportunities. The angel wisdom suggests you to get out of any habits or ruts in which you are stuck. Do things that are different and face life with a sense of wonder. If the path ahead seems dark, do as you would. If you would explore a dark place, as your angels to light up the way. The watch for the signs and signals that tell you where and how to go. So explore the new and excitement and courage. These magnetic qualities attract money, career, opening, and just to relationship. The angels are inspiring you to move forward with anticipating, expectancy, and hope. Yes, Libra, see, that is what I told you, right? So you are feeling stuck up. There was a very beautiful card. Adventure Angel is telling you to come out of that stuck up zone. Start, moving ahead in life, because when you feel that, for some Libra, you might have that fear that if I come out of this place, maybe, my life is not going to be good enough. But that is not the thing. See, once you come out of this darker zone, you are going to see a lot of beautiful changes in your life. As it is, I told you, a card is full of good things, finance growth, partying around, meeting new friends, meeting new people in your life, lot of opportunities ahead, visiting holy places, making your money grow, doing some side business. So just because of one decision in your life, don't make your life stuck up. Please jump ahead, heal yourself, start doing a lot of adventures in your life. That's what the angels are guiding us. So anyway, Libra, I hope this reading has guided you a lot. If you have liked my reading, please hit a like button. If any of your family members have this zodiac sign, send them. They will also get a guidance, right? And for the new ones, if you have liked my channel, please hit a like button so that I can come forward with more and more new readings. Anyway, take care. Bye-bye. See you next time.